welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this super cute Hello Kitty squishy cake and the packaging. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute little box and the squishy inside. This is how it looks, and I just put a little piece of tape on top of it just so it stays sealed. And this is how the squishy looks. It actually is a cake, so as you guys can see on the side, I think it turned out really cute. Hopefully you guys weren't scared that I quit again, because it's been like 13 days I think since my last upload. That was actually because I was on vacation, if you guys didn't catch it on my other video, and I actually made a vlog that I posted on my other channel. So if you guys haven't subscribed to that one and you want to see the video, you guys should definitely go check it out. The link will be in the description box, and that might also be why I look a little more tan, because I literally burned my hands on vacation. So that's amazing. Let's get started with making the squishy. Okay, so we're gonna start off by making the box packaging for the paper squishy, because I feel like it's a little more complicated, and I'm gonna try my best to explain it as best as possible, because we're gonna be making like a grid plan out of the 3D box we're gonna build. I'll also be using a ruler just so my lines are neat and straight. I'm just gonna start off by making a straight line and putting this ruler right here and just drawing across a straight line. I don't have the exact measurements for this box that I'm making, but you guys can just see how big you want it, because it really depends on the size that you want. Now I just made a second line right there. Okay, now I'm gonna move down here and basically do the same thing and draw a line across. And lastly, we're gonna make one more straight line down here. This probably doesn't make sense right now, but I'm gonna draw the vertical lines now, and it'll start looking more like a grid box plan out of the box we're gonna make. So I'm just gonna place my ruler right here and make this line, and I'm gonna make the side of the box, which is gonna be about this thick. Draw a straight line across. I'm just gonna put it right here, straight line across. Okay, so we just created our basic skeleton shape, and now I'm just gonna help you guys label it so it's a little more clear. So this side, back, be the side, gonna be the front, is gonna be the side, bottom, other bottom, and the tops. Now I'm just gonna make little tabs right here for the sides, so it's just easier to assemble. Yeah, it's not perfect. So now that we have the blueprint of the bugs, I'm going to start designing it, and thankfully the design isn't too complicated. So here's the reference I'm going to be following. Obviously this Hello Kitty middle part is going to be the squishy, so I'm not going to need to draw that. I'm actually going to leave a hole right there because we're going to make like this plastic part, and all I'm going to do is make this little banner thing. I'll leave out this ugly hand because I don't think I'm going to do that. Oh my gosh guys, so since I haven't made a paper squishy in so long, my markers were actually dying on me, so thankfully these lasted and I was able to finish the squishy. Alright, so now that the box design is all colored, we're just gonna take a pair of scissors and cut this part out. I'm just gonna snip it like that. This is basically just gonna be the clear plastic part of the packaging, and don't worry guys, you won't need plastic for this. It's all just gonna be tape, because I could have made the box with cardboard and then made the plastic part with actual plastic, but I feel like most of you guys wouldn't have those materials just lying around, or maybe you do, I don't know, but I was just trying to make this as easy as possible. Okay, so now that I've cut out the see-through part of the box, I'm actually gonna laminate it just like you would to a normal paper squishy, but we're actually gonna laminate both sides. And I think I'm gonna use just like 2 pieces of tape in the back, just where the hole is, and it'll make the box more shiny and sturdy. I'm just gonna start off by the top, and I'm just gonna place a piece of tape here and just, oh no. It's okay if you make a mistake guys. We're just gonna lay it down so there's no air bubbles. Oh no, it doesn't rip. So that was a very epic fail, but thankfully the paper ripped where we were gonna cut anyways, so just cut off like the little piece of tape that got stuck. Y'all should pre-cut the tape, not keep it in the roll, and then lay it down. Just gonna place my tape right here and then just lay it down. a little wrinkly, but better than last time. Okay, since this side still has the tape on it, I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it around and put the second piece of tape just so it doesn't start sticking to everything. So again, I'm just taking a piece of tape and laying it flat like that. Now it's like a little piece of plastic right here. Oh no. So now I'm just gonna put it right here. It's looking pretty good, guys. Alright guys, now I'm gonna just cut it out so we can assemble the box. Make sure to cut it out very carefully, right on the lines that you drew. Hopefully it turns out good, because before filming this, I made 2 prototypes to see how it would work. It's kind of mid, to be honest with you, but I think I made this one pretty good, so hopefully it works. Now we're just gonna start folding on the lines. So I'm just gonna fold on this line right here. I should fold it really good. Right here too. Kind of reminds me of like a carnival box thing of some sort. I don't know. Okay, it's kind of looking like a box, guys. So as you can see, I'm gonna fold it like this and just place a piece of tape right there. Right there. Alright guys, so we basically have the box all done and ready for the squishy. Okay, so for the paper squishy, I'm not gonna make it exactly like the inspo pic I showed you guys. I kind of made it my own with the box too. So I was thinking, instead of doing a little boring Hello Kitty, I'm gonna make it into a cake Hello Kitty head. I think that would be so cute, and I love making cake squishies. They do take a little bit more work to make, but I feel like that would look so much cuter, especially in this box, because it gives me like bakery vibes. First step, we're gonna take our piece of paper and fold it in half. You guys have seen me do this a million times if you guys have watched my other videos. I kind of forget how to make these sometimes. Okay, so we're going to do the Hello Kitty head right here. So we're just gonna start off by doing a simple oval shape. Y'all know the drill. Oh yeah, it has to fit in the box. So yeah, that's okay. Now we're gonna do the little ears. So they just go like this or something like that. We're just gonna do that. Now the iconic bow, we're just gonna do this circle thing and then draw this little part of the bow and then this little part of the bow. Perfect. The little details right there. Now for the face, just gonna do 2 spread out. Does not look right. Hold up. Let's do the nose first, actually, so it could be like centered. I think it had to be more separated, so I'm just gonna do one right here and then one right there. Oh, that does not look right either. Wait, what am I doing wrong? Hold up. Maybe a little higher. Right here and right here. Okay, yes, that looks right. Now for the little kitty whiskers right here, just a simple 3 lines. See how simple that was, guys? Thankfully, Hello Kitty doesn't have many colors going on with her, so it's just her yellow nose. Her skin is white, obviously, and then her bow is gonna be a very bright pink. And we're done. Literally, what, 10 seconds? Okay, so now I'm gonna laminate both sides of the squishy. So I'm just going to take a piece of tape, place it right here, and then just cut it, and then place the second piece of tape right there. I'm gonna turn it around and do the same thing. Okay, so once both sides are laminated, I actually already did this, but I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So basically, I just opened up the piece of paper up, and I had these 2 sides available that were thick enough. So I just took my ruler again and made 2 straight lines right here, the same thickness. And these are going to be the 2 strips I'm going to use for the side of the cake. So I'm going to try to not make the design too complicated. I'm just going to use some different shades of pink and make just some stripes along strips to imitate like some layering in the cake. I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. So now I'm gonna take a piece of tape and laminate both sides. Here. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just gonna cut everything out. Okay, so now that we have all of the parts for the squishy, we're gonna start assembling it. Okay guys, so I finally finished taping the squishy all the way around, and this is how it looks. So now we just have one more step to go, which is stuffing it and then taping it and then putting it in the box we made. I'm just gonna take this stuffing, this is polyfill, and I'm just gonna hold on, maybe a little. I'm just gonna put this in here. I'm just gonna place it in. So I'm just gonna put a piece of tape right here. Last piece right here. Okay guys, we have our final paper squishy done. Hopefully it fits in the box. I'm kind of nervous though. But here it is. It's so squishy. Here is the sides. I think it turned out so cute because it's a little cake and it's so adorable. Now we can finally put it in our box. Fits perfectly, guys. I didn't even measure it or anything. I just winged it, but look at that, guys. It's so cute. So I guess you could seal it if you want with tape or just leave it open. It was a success, guys. I love it, guys. This might be one of my favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys were able to make this at home if you were following the tutorial. I've literally been here for a ton. Let's check. Okay, it's 6:20 right now, and I'm pretty sure I started at like 2 o'clock. So I've been here for a good 4 hours. So I'm really tired and really happy this worked out. But yeah, I actually really liked it, and I love how the packaging turned out. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. I am gonna start being consistent again, so don't worry, guys. Comment down below if you tried to make this squishy, or what was your favorite part about this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Missing someone.